the traffic jam in Nyabugogo City in the evening, bro. Come in the evening and try to see how the traffic jam is in Nyabugogo City. This is how it is. Let me show you how it is. The traffic jam. Sorry for my phone. This is how it takes video, because it is not iPhone like yours. Don't stay in your hotel. Just come and take some videos in the evening to see how the traffic jam is. Even the policemen are there. But they don't have to stop the traffic jam, because the people are just leaving their jobs. They are backing to their homes. That is how it is. You see? Try to come and take some video in the evening. Yeah. And I will show you some people just to interview. Thank you very much, bro. May God bless you. Have a wonderful night. Yeah.